Hello everyone, Drone Codes here. Today we're solving LeetCode problem 441, arranging coins. You have n coins and you want to build a staircase with these coins. The staircase consists of k rows, where the ith row has exactly I coins. The last row of the staircase may be incomplete. Given the integer n, return the number of complete rows of the staircase you will build. Example 1, the integer n is given as 5 and the output is 2. Why is the output 2? Because fill in the first row, which contains one coin. The second row would then contain 2 coins, because according to the question, it said where consists of k rows where the ith row has exactly I coins. That means for each row you have, if you're in row 3 contains 3 coins, row 2 contains 2 coins, row 1 contains a coin, row 4 contains 4 coins, and so on and so forth. So for the example 1, we have an input of 5. It can only fit in row 1 because 5 minus 1 will remain 4. So it can fit in row 1. It can also fit in row 2 because 4 minus 2 we have 2. But it can't fully fit into row 3, and from the question it says the last row of the staircase may be incomplete. So we would return 2 because the third row is incomplete. If the input was 6 and the third row was complete, we would return 3. We'll return the output 3 because that's the number of rows it could fill up. Let's check example 2. Example 2 gives us an input of 8. The first row contains only 1 coin, so that will be 8 minus 1, gives us 7 coins left. The second row contains 2 coins, which is 7 minus 2, gives us 5 coins left. The third row contains 3 coins, which is 5 minus 3, gives us 2 coins left. So the fourth row, which is meant to contain 4 coins, can't contain 4 coins because it only has 2 coins in it. So then, from the question which says the last row may be incomplete, we are going to return 3 because 1, 2, 3. 3 is the number of rows it can fill up. 3 is the number of rows it can fill up completely because the fourth row is incomplete. So how do we solve this? First, you declare variable rows, which will equal to 0. Then in a while loop, n will be greater than rows. Why is n greater than rows? Because you'll be subtracting the coins in each row from the value of n. So as n is greater than rows increases and n decreases. And we would return rows. It's just simple. As n continues being greater than rows, it will get to a point where n will be less than rows. And once it's less than rows, it can't continue continue the process. It can't continue it at all because it won't be able to fill up that row in which it needs to fill up. So let's check our test cases. Let's see. So like I said, let's, for example, assume we have a test case of 6, and for here we have a test case of 12. Let's see, would it fill up the rows? Let's see. And what row will it return for 6 and 12? So as we know, example 1, which is 5, n is equals to 5, it returns 2 because the third row is incomplete. Example 2, n is equal to 8, it returns 3 because the fourth row is incomplete. Example 3, 6 will return 3 because everything is completed. The 3 rows are all complete, are all filled with coins, so it's going to return the third row. That's the number. It's going to return the output 3, which is the number of rows you can complete. And 12 is going to also return the output 4, which is the number of rows we can complete. Thank you very much and see you soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.